So what is up YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be looking at if ChatGPT can accurately predict my college results. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting my stats, my extracurriculars, and some of other things about my profile onto ChatGPT, and then I'll be asking it if I get into different colleges for different majors. And then we'll be comparing it with my actual results, my actual college results, to see if ChatGPT can accurately predict which college you get into. So as a prompt onto ChatGPT, at first I put my stats and extracurriculars. I'm putting up the prompt on the screen, but I put up my stats and extracurriculars. Then I put up the subjects I took and my IB score, my SAT score, and my main extracurriculars. Then I asked it if I get into the colleges that I applied to, so UCSD, UCLA, UC Berkeley, Emory, USC for economics, and then UC Davis, Case Western, U Miami, UIUC, UCI for computer science. And then I asked it to say if I either get accepted, rejected, or waitlisted. Now for ChatGPT, it didn't give a definitive answer. They actually just put likely accepted or competitive could go either way. So what I'm going to assume is that likely accepted is acceptance and competitive is either waitlist or rejection. So for economics/business, they said UCSD I would get likely accepted, and that's what happened. First I got waitlisted, then I got accepted. For UCLA, it says competitive could go either way, and I did get rejected. For UC Berkeley, it says competitive as well, and I did get rejected. For Emory, it says competitive, however, I did get accepted, so ChatGPT was wrong on this. For USC, it says competitive, could go either way, and I was rejected. And then for University of Miami, it says likely accepted, and I did get accepted for computer science. Now, for the other computer science colleges include UC Davis, where it said likely accepted, however, I did get rejected. For Case Western, it said likely accepted, and I did get accepted. For UIUC, it says competitive, could go either ways, but I did get rejected, so it did get that right. And then for UCI, it says likely accepted, however, I was waitlisted, and then I got rejected, so I got that wrong. So ChatGPT was right on quite a few colleges, but it was also wrong on others. So you guys can do this for fun, but don't take this as a definitive answer whether or not you'll get into certain colleges, because one, you're only giving so much information to ChatGPT, and another is college admissions are extremely random, and this program wouldn't know whether or not you get accepted. So if you guys did enjoy the video, please do leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below if you tried this and whether ChatGPT was right or not. And also comment down below other videos you would like to see, and thank you for watching.